So hello everyone. Now we will see how to manage new campaign. So we open the Google Ads. Then you have three options: get more calls, get more website sales or signups, get more visit to your physical location. I will click on get more website sales and signups. Then you click next. Then you put your business name, like, I don't know, you type any kind of business or word. Then you put your link from Wix. Now we can click next. Then here you can see you can find new customers in the areas. Let's say we'll type Zagreb, or no, we'll put 25 kilometers from us, so we can see the circle. You can also set up a specific area here, but we don't need it for now. Then we click again on next. Then target your ads to run on Google searches. You should add product or service. Let's say add new product, I don't know. Then you put cheap pen, I don't know, any tip, or you can put hotel, let's say, it's maybe better. Then you can here see the words like airport hotel, luxury hotel, hotel with gym, etc. Again, you should click on the next, and then you have let's write your ad. So you have the headline. You should here you write, I don't know, specification, let's say cheap hotel visits, and here you can see the link that popped out. Then maybe again click on next. One headline, two, I don't know, we should put another headline, luxury hotel. We can put another, center hotel. Then we can put sea view, and let's say beach view. Then you click on next. You can select your budget. You can see 30 kunas, 4401 kuna. It depends on how many people you want to reach and how many clicks. Then again we put next, and let's say our budget is 44 kunas, and again we click next, confirm your payment, and basically that's the whole process of it.